I'll show you how to replace front wiper blades on a 4th generation Mazda 3. This is the hatchback. I believe the wiper blades are the same for the sedan. This is just how to do it for the hatchback. This applies to 2019 and up as of right now, where I think the latest model will be in 2026. So if you have any of those models, this will apply to you. To start off, I need to show you the wiper blades. When you receive them, if you're ordering them on Amazon because they're the cheapest around, you're going to receive both of these things. Now these are adapters for various types of wiper blades. You're going to use these though. So this is going to come in a package. I got the Bosch 360. You can find them on Amazon. I got new open box to save some money. And you're going to get the 17-inch and the 26-inch for the front. Okay. In the box, it's going to come with this little plastic shroud and the wiper blade itself, if it's not already attached. What you're going to need to do is on these ones, you can see that there's an arrow. On this one, you can see that there's an arrow right at the front. You're going to attach the wiper blades together. Before we do that, there are these little things on the side that you're going to press together and lift this secondary shroud off. I know, layers upon layers. Make sure that's fully seated in there. Okay, so it's not loose, it's not anything like that. You're going to lift it up and you're going to make sure that it orients the same way. Okay, so this is forward this way, this is forward this way. We're good. And we're going to place the metal part of the bracket over this shroud until it locks into place and you'll hear it. Okay, we're good. Okay. Now, once we do it with the other one as well, we can move on to our car. I'll just take you over with me. All right, so. Okay, we have our wiper blades that need to be installed. We have the old ones on the car right now. I'm going to show you how to put them into servicing mode. This is not a requirement. This is we thought this would be nice because working on these wiper blades underneath the hood shroud, which is for aerodynamics, is not really fun. So here's what you're going to do. Get into the driver's seat, press the ignition. You don't need to start your engine to do this. Just get into the accessory mode. Okay, we're all good there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it off. Okay, and then double tap on the wiper blade stock. That'll put it into servicing mode. It's much, much easier to work on this car and these wiper blades when they're in servicing mode. So I would highly recommend that you do that. These are attached pretty easily. There is a little clip. I don't know if you can see that right there. That little clip right there. You are going to lift up the stock. You're going to press on that clip and you're going to pull down. Let me lock this up again. Okay. So you're going to press on that clip. Make sure it's pushing up this way. When you do that, it'll pop right out, just like that. Okay, put that off to the side. Do the same with the other one. Press that clip up and then wiggle it out of there. There you go. All right. So now that we have these extended like so, we're going to take our new wiper blades and we are going to place them on. So the short one goes on the far one, which is this long one right here. They're on the shroud. You want to flip the shroud up. Okay, so when you get it, it's going to look like this. Make sure to press in those buttons right on the side. Flip the shroud up, and you're going to insert the stick through this hole. So, what does that look like? I'm going to drop this. For the sake of this video, it's easier to apply when they're in the vertical position. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the back part of this, insert it through the hole, push it up, and then insert it into the slot. And it will kind of make a little bit of a sound, not quite a click. But once you hear that, it's locked in. You can put the shroud over top until you hear that click, and you're good to go from there. I'll do it again on a secondary one, right over here, so you can get a second view. Remember, we're going to take our shroud, okay, I'll lift it up, and you're going to insert it in through the back here, just like this. So insert, lock it into place, press the shroud down till you hear that click. All done, okay? From there, it's really, really easy to get them to get out of service mode. All you're gonna do, press your ignition twice, turn on that accessory mode, flick your stock, and they will match whatever you have selected. So now it'll just be back to normal. That is how you replace the wiper blades on your Mazda 3. I have a video on the rear one. If you want that, it's about 2 minutes long. A little bit more complicated, but just as easy.